What is crypto? A quick guide to cryptocurrency. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a certified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Ever wondered what crypto really means? Let's decode this digital mystery in seconds. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is digital money secured by cryptography. Imagine secret codes protecting your cash. Unlike dollars or euros, crypto isn't printed or controlled by any government. It's like money without a central boss. So, where does crypto live? On a blockchain, a super secure, digital ledger that records every single transaction forever. Think of blockchain like a global, unbreakable diary that everyone can see but no one can erase. You've probably heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're the rock stars of crypto, each with their own special powers. Crypto isn't just for buying stuff. It can store value, power apps, or even create smart contracts that execute themselves. What makes crypto so cool? It's decentralized, secure, transparent, and often limited in supply, like digital gold. Curious yet? Crypto puts you in control, no banks, no middlemen, just your digital money, anytime, anywhere. Ready to explore the crypto world? Hit like, subscribe, and dive into the future of money today.